Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in last video we have seen how can we check if two strings are anagram of each other or not. Okay. Now we missed some small things in that one. Although we have written the logic and it was a working logic, but we missed few corner cases. Now what are those cases? We'll cover in this particular video. Okay, including the new way of finding if two strings are anagram or not using HashSet. Let's let me write that method and I'm going to show you what we missed. So str1 and str2. Now we missed two corner cases mainly. Okay. Now first was if str1 is equal to null or your str2, that means string 1 or string 2, if any of them are null, obviously these two are not anagrams of each other, we are supposed to return false only. And second condition, if the str1 dot length is not equal to str2 dot length, then also we are supposed to return false. If their length itself is not right, okay, what is the point of doing the comparison, right? Now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to do the comparison using HashSet. Now what will be the logic for us? Okay, let's convert, let's convert this to a character array. Character array first is equal to str1 dot to character array, and what we want to do, we want to, for each of the character in this character array, let's try avoid taking this variable. And what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to take a hash set, let's say, okay, set of character set, okay, I'm taking character set. Let's import this class. Character set is equal to new hash set. Okay, now in this character set I'm trying to add this particular character. Okay, now I'm trying to run another loop for each of the character ch in this str2 dot to char array. Okay, if this character set dot contains this ch, that means dot does not contains, return false, right? Otherwise return true. So if any of those character, right? So what is the logic basically here using HashSet? We have taken a HashSet and from the first character string we have inserted all the characters. Okay, and now what we are trying to do, from this second string we are iterating through each of the character and we are checking if this character is there in this HashSet or not, this second character is there in this HashSet or not. If all of them are there, right, then we are telling that this is a anagram, these two strings are anagram of each other. If any of those character is not there, right, then we are saying that these two are not anagrams of each other, and that's how we are returning false. If all of those characters exist, we are returning true. Now let's start checking, verifying our logic. If we have written right logic or wrong logic, first of all we are supposed to get true if the logic is correct, and we are getting true. Let's write something wrong here, x, and now we are supposed to get false, and we are getting false. So that means our logic is correct. Okay, Again, it feels good when your logic, when your program runs at the first attempt. Okay. So this is another way when you can calculate if two strings are anagram of each other or not. Now the next video is going to be the last video on strings for now. Okay. There we are going to calculate if two strings are anagram of each other or not using something called as histogramming. Now histogram is just a way of representing data in a graph way. It sounds, fancy, but the logic is pretty simple, and we are going to see that in the next video. Meanwhile, that's all as part of this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.